Hi, welcome to another episode on Social Giant Global, and today I want to show you some apps that you can really earn extra money from whilst you are at home or your free time. Welcome to another episode on Social Giant Global, and today I want to show you some apps that you can really earn extra money from at home. And these apps are available on Play Store and iOS. So maybe you are a student who completed college and you are home and you don't know what to do, and then probably you're also unemployed, or you are a worker who have free times at home or at work, and you want to earn extra or additional money. So I have these legit apps that gives you the opportunity to earn extra money, where you can transfer to your bank account, your PayPal, or even transfer to a cryptocurrency account. So these apps are available and I want to show you. But before I share with you these apps that really helps you to make extra money, kindly give a like right here. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Yeah, so give us a like on this video and also subscribe to this channel if you like the content I share with you every week. So the first app I want to share with you is Toloka. So this app is available on Play Store, and it is an app that helps you to make extra money. So you can quickly pick up your phone, like I have picked mine, and then go to Play Store and type in Toloka, Toloka. So you have it there as Earn Online. So Earn Online. So this is an app that you can download and make extra money. So this app is actually for earning money online without any investment. So you choose a task, they ask for a few details from you, you choose a task, you complete them online and or offline. Wow, this is an opportunity for you. So you can actually complete these tasks online or offline, and it is convenient for you and you get rewarded. Isn't it amazing? What are you waiting for? Quickly go to your Play Store and download it, and then you are good to go. You start earning some money without any investment, and you can earn as much as you can with more tasks that you complete. So go on. The next I want to show you is Premise. So Premise 2 is another app. So quickly search for it. Go to your Play Store or your iOS and search for Premise, Premise. Search for it. Great. So you have Premise. So you see you have Premise. It says earn money for task. So Premise is also an app that allows you to earn extra income or earn money by completing tasks, surveys, sharing opinions, or taking photos. So this also gives you an overview of what Premise allows you to do in order to earn extra money. This is also a cool one. I have been on Premise for a while now and I'm earning something for myself. So I will encourage you, you can also get on Premise and log in or sign up and then begin to complete tasks to earn extra money. The next app I want to show you is Paid Work. Before it was called Zareclame, but now it is called Paid Work. So that one you can also search for it on your Play Store or your iOS. So you have Paid, so Paid, so P-A-I-D, so Paid Work, so P-A-I-D Work. Great. Search for it. There you go. So you have the app here, Paid Work, make money. So that is what you have on it. So this app actually allows you to make extra money on your phone, on your computer, your tablet, wherever you can find yourself without any investment as well. So it is a full-time or additional job for anybody. So it doesn't matter where you find yourself. You're a student, you completed, you are home, you are unemployed, you have a business, your free time at work, your break time or your lunch time, you can use the opportunity to complete some of these tasks and then earn some extra money for yourself. It is an app, or there are apps that gives you a wide range of choice or options. You can play games to earn money, you can complete tasks or or give your opinion about topics and earn money. So go on and get onto these apps, and you're going to really enjoy some great income. Isn't it amazing? If you like this content, kindly leave a like and a comment in the comment section, and more importantly, subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel and be part of this Social Giant Global YouTube family. I'm Gas, and see you another time.